Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A06 and I want to show you how I remove magnification to this device. We start off opening settings application. There, scroll down and look for our accessibility selection, where we must choose our vision, and there look for magnification option and turn on it. Now we must tap how we want to activate it. Maybe triple touch the screen, confirm by OK, and now after triple touch we activate our magnification. To change position of that, tap on it and swipe with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out. To turn off it, triple touch again. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.